Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at ZeroBase or ZBT. This is a newly launched token and it got destroyed on a launch, as you can see. Of course, it did launch when the BTC was going down, so overall market is like going down, so I don't think that it is a fault of ZBT, but again, it is like massive like crash, as you can see. So the token went from 88 cent to as low as like 40. So that is over like 53% at launch. That is like 53% crash at launch, and it seems like that it is trying to find a support, but as of now I don't think that it has found any. Anyways, we'll break it down. First of all, we'll look at its price, we'll look at its tokenomics and what it does, and after that we'll look at its price. Now starting with the token itself, the token is like in the zero knowledge like niche, as you can see here. And if we look at zero knowledge, this is like pretty much this is pretty stack niche. So even if you look here, there is like Zcash, Immutable, IMX. There are a lot of projects that are doing like pretty much similar thing, I would say. And even if you look here, even if we just go as low as like also, that has over 100 like million market cap, and after that we have ZBT with a market cap of like 89 million. Even if you look here, LRC, which is like I would say an OG token, that is like at 86. So I'm not expecting that much, like I'm not expecting that much bigger market cap from ZBT, but I think it should see at least one surge before it goes down. Anyways, if you just look at the ZeroBase itself, it is a high performance decentralized zero knowledge proving network optimized for real-time computation, as you can see, and some other things as well. Now the interesting product as of now is like their stablecoin product. Their stablecoin staking product, as you can see, it had a TBL of over 572 million, so that is a lot. So basically, if you hold stablecoin, you can actually do like staking here, and you do a lot of it. As you can see, you do get a really good yield as well. So basically these are staked on these various exchanges or something like that, and you do get like a really good yield, as you can see here. Now if you look at the dashboard, this is how it looks like, as you can see, and this is overall TVL of the stable coins. And again, after going down from 550, it has started to go up again, so I would say that's really good for ZeroBase overall. Now in terms of the tokenomics, it has a max supply of 1 billion, as you can see here, and out of which around 190 million is in circulation, so something like 19%, as you can see here. And if you look at the distribution, like 20% goes to the team and advisors, 11% to the investors, and we have liquidity like 2% and ecological fund. I think these are their like ecosystem funds. After that there is airdrop and early mining, and I think these are the locations that are causing a miss. I think these are the like allocations that are causing the massive like crash. I think the airdroppers are most likely selling the token, so that could be the reason. After that there is node staking as well. So token itself can be used for different things. So starting with like proving nodes, they can earn yield by completing proof tasks and some other things. There is hub nodes, earn continuous ZBT missions by routing proofs and sharing bandwidth. And after that there is journal. Users can participate in Zk staking, where stable coin deposits generate off-chain yield through capital efficient strategies. So that is what they have going on, and I think the token may also be used in case for their fees as well. So to support predictable supply dynamics, a token burn mechanism may be implemented through automated on-chain process. So in the future, they like as of now the token supply is fixed, as you can see here. So it is not designed as like as an investment instrument, but of course it is. I think everyone knows that. But again, if they do increase supply or something like that, they will most likely introduce burn mechanism as well, and that could be through governance as well in the future. But as of now, there is no such a thing. And in terms of like these tokens, so as of now there is a 1 year cliff for team and advisors as well as for the investors. So I think that's really good. So the token won't have any sell pressure from both of these entities, so I would say that is really good. Anyways, now moving on to some recent updates that they have going on. So the token did get listed on pretty much everything. If you look at, there is a Binance listing, there is a Bitcoin listing, so that's really good. And there is like Maxi listing, even I think HTX did list the token, and there was also I think Kraken as well as Get.io listing, and it also got listed on the Bybit as well, along with the KuCoin and the Bitget. Overall, I think pretty much it got listed on pretty much every exchange out there. Of course, it has yet to be like listed on the Coinbase, and there is no news about that as of now. But again, if it does do that, I can see it like such. I can see the hype for it, but again, we'll have to wait and see for their confirmation. Now, as of now, the interesting thing to note about this token is going to be again its listing. So the token is available on the Upbit, and that is really important. The reason being is that if you look at the volume, the token has the highest volume on the Upbit as of now. And if they announce some kind of news, let's say if they announce some kind of positive news, I think the token could actually surge and could actually go up. As of now, again, it is like going down, but it is like trying to find a support. So again, the token did start from 170 million market cap. So again, even like if we do see a small let's say if we get like some kind of small news that is positive, I think the token can basically push and go higher. And again, the token is listed on the Upbit, and if you know about Upbit, whenever the token gets listed on the Upbit, it does get like really crazy. So the token does becomes really volatile, and again, if we do get a really good listing, we could see a really good surge, and I think it can actually push as high as 62 or even higher than that. But again, we don't have a solid support. Again, we do have a really good resistance as of now at 51 cent, but I think we do need to find a support. So if token can find a good support, I think it can push for like it can run for that one, I think, surge. But again, as of now, if we look here, the token did the exact same thing here, and it seems like that it is trying to find the support. But again, if it does find support, I think we can expect a good surge slowly, and I think it can run to that 51 mark or even higher than that. But again, as of now, the market overall is not doing that well, so I'm not actually sure how high it can go. But again, if it goes down, we may see like another crash like that. So if it does go down, I think we can expect another like 20%. So if it does go down from here, I think it can go as low as 33 or 34 cent, and that could be also a really good support as well. So let's see what happens. But overall, I think the token can even if it does go up, I think the max it may actually go would be somewhere around $200 or $200 million, because if you look at the computation, it is really tough. So again, I would say even if it does start to go up, I would be looking at a peak of 200, or like if you look at the highest, or if you look at the high, I think 150 could be a really good. Again, we'll have to wait and see when it does start to go up. But as of now, I think if it holds here, it may actually crawl way it may actually go up, but if it doesn't, we may see like 20% crash as of now. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.